Today, we will discuss IntelliJ, Eclipse, and VS Code. Through plugins or extensions, extensibility is supported on all three platforms. This enables users to add support for other programming languages, frameworks, and tools and personalize their development environment. Typically, they are made to function on a variety of operating systems such as Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Now let's examine the main features of these three platforms. IntelliJ is renowned for its strong refactoring tools, clever code completion, and potent code analysis, outstanding support for Kotlin and other JVM-based languages, including Java, a robust feature set with a strong emphasis on a developer productivity. Eclipse is an open source IDE that is extremely sophisticated and extensible, a large ecosystem of plugins and strong community support, adaptable and suitable for a variety of projects and computer languages, open source and free. VS Code, an extremely adaptable and lightweight code editor, outstanding speed and performance, an extensive collection of extensions that work with a variety of technologies and computer languages, open source and free, incredibly well liked for web development. All of them can function with a wide variety of programming languages. However, some are more suited to certain ones. In essence, they are all designed to give developers the resources they need to effectively write, debug, and manage code.